Hello. I've got a quick unboxing for you. I can't review these. They're headphones. It'd be kind of hard to do, show you how they work and stuff like that. But from a company called Genso, Genso, and these are $49.99 on Amazon right now. And actually, as I'm doing this, there's a 25% off coupon, so you can get 25% off as well. It is the Genso wireless earbuds Bluetooth version 4.2 in-ear cordless earphones, touch control HiFi stereo earbuds with portable charging case, 800 mAh for iPhone and Android device, silver. There's also a black version as well. As you can see, it's TWS-X9 true wireless. You have basic specs here on the back, 4.2, stuff like that. I did cut the tape. I haven't done anything with these yet. I haven't, really messed with them. Here's our user guide, user guidance as it's called. Open the charging case, charging, turn on and connect. And then control. We have specs, product connection, indicator lights, stuff like that. But here it is here. This is actually the earbuds and the case, which we'll get to in a second. But anything else in there? Nope. So this is the accessory box, as it says right there. Included is, that's it, different size buds for you, covers, micro USB cable for charging, which actually charges right there. Here's the case. It is nice, actually. It's solid metal. You can put this in your pocket. You won't have a problem. And there's the earbuds. Very, very small, as you can see. Very small. There are contacts right there on the back of each one that correspond to the contacts that are in the case. Now, when you put these in here, it charges them, and it's actually magnetic as well. If you can kind of see how they see, it pulls in, so they're always in. So they stay in. If the case opens up or something like that by accident, so they stay in well. And when you close it up, they should charge. Maybe they're already charged. Don't know. Okay, charging. Before using the first time, put the earphones back into the charging case. Use the cable to charge the earphones. Turn on, connect device, how to control. So we listen to music, single touch, double touch, play, pause, next song. Answering calls, single touch, long touch to reject the call. Product connection, left and right, pairing, battery levels. It's about normal there. Switching earphones, light mode. The light have two modes, continuous light mode and breathing light mode. The default mode is continuous lights. Touch the ring area for 5 seconds. The lights will change. So you can have little lights in your ears, I guess. Power on. Keep touching the touch ring area on the X9 until the green ring flashes. Touch about 8 seconds to shut down. Oh, okay. So let's try this. Let's see what happens here. There's a ring there. So apparently this is all touch sensitive. Oh, there it goes. It's kind of hard to see. There it goes. I'm guessing it's in pairing mode right now. Buttons, turn it off. Okay. Oh, maybe. Come on, off. Touch about 8 seconds to shut down until the green light is off. Oh, there it goes. Put them back in. Okay. So, let's do this real quick. No, there's the LEDs. As you can see them, they're lit up. There's 2 lit up and 1 blinking, which means, it's a little more than half full right now. So, I'll let these go, charge, and we'll test them out. And I will test them out, and I'll put a link to the review down below in the video once it's done. But as is, I really like the case. It's nice. Oh, there we go. It's charging. It's charging the headphones. Huh. That's kind of cool. So they're in there. They're charging. Each earbud has a built-in 50 milliamp lithium polymer battery, providing 3 hours of music or talk time if it's fully charged. The battery inside here actually can 4 to 5 times you can charge the earbuds. So that's not too bad. It's actually, oh, it gives you 12 hours of playtime, supposedly, which is pretty good. Yeah, I guess that's about it, huh? I mean, nothing else to say there. TWS X9, $50, and there's a 25% off coupon right now. But that's it. Let me test them out and I'll get back to you. Thanks.